If you're over 70, there's a quiet danger happening inside your body right now, and most people don't even realize it. Every single year, after age 60, we lose muscle, even if we're still active. But what if I told you that one simple food cheaper than a cup of tea can help rebuild muscle better than most protein powders on the shelf? By the end of this video, I understand exactly why this $1 food works so powerfully for aging muscles, how to use it correctly, and how it can help you stay strong, independent, and confident well into your later years. Here's the problem most seniors face. You try to eat better. Maybe you drink those protein shakes. Maybe you walk every day, but your legs still feel weaker. Getting up from a chair takes more effort. Carrying groceries feels heavier than it used to. And slowly, quietly, muscle loss, what doctors call age-related muscle decline, keeps moving forward. The frustrating part, many people believe protein powders are the solution. They're expensive, heavily marketed, and often hard to digest. But here's the question I want you to hold in your mind. Why do so many seniors use protein supplements and still struggle to gain strength? We'll answer that in just a moment. Let's talk about what really happens to our muscles after 70. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using a protein we eat. This is called protein resistance. In simple terms, your muscles just stop responding to protein the way they did when you were younger. So, even if you drink a big protein shake, your body might not be able to fully use it to build muscle. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in it. That's where this $1 food comes in. The food I'm talking about is the humble egg. Yes, eggs. Now, you might be thinking, eggs, that's too simple. But their simplicity is their power. Eggs contain something called leucine, a special natural amino acid that acts like an on switch for muscle building. Think of leucine as the key that unlocks the door to muscle repair and growth. Now, protein powders often do contain leucine, they advertise it. But eggs deliver it in a natural package that your aging body recognizes and absorbs much more easily. Eggs are also what we call a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential building blocks your muscles need to rebuild themselves. And unlike powders, eggs come packaged with other amazing nutrients, healthy fats, vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and choline, all of which support not just muscle strength, but also your balance and even your brain function. It's a full support system in a small shell. Another big reason eggs outperform powders: digestion. I hear from so many people who struggle with bloating, gas, or less general stomach discomfort from those heavy protein shakes. Eggs, when they're cooked simply, are far gentler on the digestive system. Your body doesn't have to work so hard to break them down. And what does that mean? It means more of that valuable protein actually gets to your muscles, where it matters most. So, how do you use eggs the right way after 70? It's really simple. Aim for 1 to 2 eggs in a meal, ideally at breakfast or lunch. The timing actually matters because your muscles are more responsive to protein earlier in the day. It's like they're awake and ready to work. Then, pair those eggs with some light movement like a short walk, some gentle stretching, or even just some chair exercises. When you do this, you send a powerful, two-part signal to your body. Here's the fuel, and here's the reason to use it. It tells your body, keep this muscle. As for how to cook them, stick to the basics. Soft-boiled, scrambled with a little bit of olive oil, or poached. These methods are great because they preserve the nutrients and they're easy to chew and digest. You don't need fancy recipes or complicated sauces. When it comes to building strength at this age, consistency matters far more than complexity. And I want you to just pause for a second here. This conversation about muscle isn't just about strength. It's about dignity. It's about being able to stand up on your own 2 feet, to play with your grandchildren without that nagging fear of falling, and to live your later years with confidence instead of caution. Strong muscles mean freedom. They mean independence. Now, Let's close that loop I mentioned earlier. Why do protein powders so often fail seniors? Because muscle building after 70 is just about how much protein you eat, it's about how usable that protein is. It's about sending the right signal. Eggs provide the right signal with leucine. They deliver all the right nutrients in a complete package, and they offer the right digestive support, all at once. That's why this simple, affordable food can often work faster and better than those expensive tubs of powder. The takeaway from all this is simple. You don't need trendy, expensive powders or complicated routines to stay strong. Sometimes, the most powerful solution is the one that's been in your kitchen all along. If this video helped you see food and your own aging a little differently, please give it a like so more people can find this important information. Share it with a friend or a family member you care about. And subscribe for more trusted, practical health guidance to help you stay strong and vibrant at every age. Your strength is worth protecting. Thanks for watching.